The energy from the sun powering up your dreams. To have a full off-grid system is the goal of any adventurer. Solar panels, controllers, inverters and batteries, all these systems can be a bit overwhelming, until now. Hello, I'm Diego.
And I'm Georgia.
We are from Unforgettable Sailing, and we are here to invite you to our live chat together with Xantrex, a global leader in power solutions, to discuss everything about power systems on board.
We're gonna have this chat with two specialists from Xantrex, Don Wilson, the tech doctor, and Wesley Shuen, the solar product manager. No one better than specialists to answer all your crazy questions.
Prepare your questions and leave it here on the comments below.
We're gonna select the most asked questions, and also during the live stream you can ask in the chat. So we partner with Xantrex to bring this great opportunity to you. Don't miss it, it's gonna be on June the 30th, either in our YouTube channel or on Xantrex YouTube channel. And we're gonna leave the time here in the description on the time zones.
Yes, and yeah, don't miss it. See you there.